My name is Gwen Weeks, and I was a patient of Dr. Matt Walker's, and he reversed my right shoulder doing a replacement, and then in the left shoulder he did a standard shoulder replacement. So I'm the beneficiary of his great expertise, knowledge, and talent. I am a nurse, and I taught nursing, and so before I had this procedure done, I, of course, had to consult with former students who worked in orthopedics in the OR to determine who they thought would probably be the best physician to do this. And also, I interviewed 3 different shoulder specialists and decided on him. One reason was because my husband and I had been snowbirds in Florida, and I was treated at Florida Orthopedic Institute where he did his fellowship, and I knew that they picked only the cream of the crop to do fellowships there. I made an appointment with him, and he gave me an injection of cortisone, which made it feel great for several months, but he had told me that I certainly needed to have a shoulder replacement done, so I knew that was in the works. And as a nurse, I know that doctors who have performed surgery, certainly with their patients, if they're very gentle with tissue, the patients have less post-op pain. And he gets 5 stars. And in my opinion, he is the crown jewel of orthopedics. The nurses were very caring and were very careful about icing and also teaching me for some post-op instructions that I should follow. They certainly did a wonderful job with my pain control. That was one thing that I was very apprehensive about. And they gave a shoulder block, which worked beautifully for about 12 to 16 hours. And then they started me on pain medicine, and then I went home after 2 days. And they did home physical therapy with me. And then after that, I did physical therapy at the Parham location. And I had wonderful physical therapists. They really worked hard. And all of the team that worked on me certainly seemed to have a great deal of pride in their work. Oh, I have referred him to all of my friends that have needed shoulder surgery. I just think he's excellent. As a matter of fact, my nickname for him is Dr. Wonderful. It is so nice now to be pain-free. I love to cook, and I can stir, and I can cut, and all those things that I like to do to make pickles and things in the summer that I couldn't do for about 2 years. And so he really renewed my life. My experience at Parham Doctors Hospital was such a positive one that I'm going to need a knee replacement in probably a few months to a year, and I certainly plan to return to Parham Road. I had never been here to this hospital before with students. I'd been to other hospitals in the area, so I was a little bit apprehensive to begin with, but I was just very gratified with the nursing care that I received.